Okay, I am going to walk you through how to do this edulastic assignment. I'm not going to do all the questions, but I'll do the first three, and I'll have you guys do the first two and have you guys do the next three. Okay, so this is question one. The exact same question you're going to get. It gives you the equation y equals 2x plus 3, and you're just going to answer some questions. So is the slope of this line on the graph positive or negative? So is it going up? Is it going down? So when you read it from left to right, it's going up. So it's going to be positive. So you drop down and you press positive. So that is on the line positive going up. So that's a mistake on mine, but you have the video, so you should be watching it. All right. What is the rise? So if you notice from here to here, how many do you go up? You go up 1, you go up 2. So the rise here is 2. And then once you're up here, you run, and the run is 1. The run is always going to be 1. So just a hint. And what is the slope of this line? You already have this right here, right? You have this equation we learned yesterday. So y equals 2x plus 3. So this is the slope right here. And we'll make this green, the next one. And this is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept. And then we'll just do the y-intercept. Let's make that green. Let's make the slope blue. So the slope, let's type it in. All right. So the slope's going to be 2, right? You could put 2 over 1 or 2, and then the y-intercept is going to be 1, right? Because we talked about it hits. Oh, whoops. No, the y-intercept is going to be 3. My bad. Because the y-intercept hits when the line hits the 3. And you could actually tell that from this equation. It says y equals 2x plus 3. But let's erase this here. Y equals 2x plus 3. So we know that the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 3. All right. And that is how you solve the first problem. Let's go to the second problem. So the second one is a little bit trickier. The slope is 5 over 3x plus 4. That's the slope-intercept form. So the slope, if you notice, we start here. We go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a 5. And then we go over 3. So that's up 5 and over 3, and then the y and the slope is at 0, 4, right? So is the slope of the line positive going up or negative going down? So again, as you go from left to right, it's going up, so it's going to be positive. What is the rise of this line? We just did that, so that's going to be 5. And the run is going to be 3. And what is the slope? So we already have the slope here. So I want you to write the slope here. You can 5 over 3 works fine. I think that's considered correct. If it's not, then I'm just going to make it correct. So don't stress that. And then here, the y-intercept's 4. And again, we know that from the formula, right? This is the slope right here. Again, the slope is just the 5 over 3. It's not the x. The x is not part of the slope. The 5 over 3 is the slope. So I just want to emphasize that. And the 4 is the y-intercept because that's where this line hits the y-axis, which is right here. So let's see. Do we want to do one more? So let's erase this. We'll do this one too. I'm going to be extra nice. So then you can do the last two on your own. So is the slope of this graph on the line going positive, going up, or negative, going down? So if you notice this from left to right, this is going down, right? It's going down from left to right. So this is going to be negative because it's going down. So what is the rise? We'll do rise over run again. So we're going to start at the y-intercept, which is 5, right? And the rise, you go down 2, and then you run 1. So we're going to put those in. So so this is down -2, right? When you go down, it's negative. When you go up, it's positive. And you're always going up to the right. All right. So this is going to be done soon. So I'm going to help you out with these two. And then you're on your own after that. So the rise is going to be -2. Sorry. And the run is going to be 1. All right. This video is going to end. So you're on your own for the rest. But you can always email me. That's it. Take care.